In this video, I'll be working on a project using this large plate that I purchased at a Goodwill store some time ago, and this smaller plate that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and these two bowls that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. But I went ahead and glued both bases together. So you'll notice that here they are already glued together. Here I have some gems that I will be adding to the product and some studs that I'll be placing somewhere on it. I'm not sure yet. Okay, so let's get right into it. What am I going to be making? I think I want to make a cake stand. Okay, so let us see. I think I want this smaller one to be my base. So I will place it there. And on it, I would like to place these two balls that were previously glued together. And then on top of that, I would want to place my large plate. Okay, so this is what the finished product would look like with the embellishment around it. So here we go. First, I'm going to be cleaning off my plate and this area that I'm going to be gluing together. First, I'm going to clean off the surface with some alcohol. And I'm going to ensure that the inside of the bowl is also clean. I want to make sure that it is centered. So here, I'm going to turn it upside down and I'm going to place this on top and put some marks around it. So I first ensure that it is level, and that is showing me that it is level. Okay, so I want to make sure that this is centered and equidistant around. And I will use a marker because I can clean it off from this side. So I'll use a marker and place some marks around it. This is to guide me when I'm gluing the balls to the base. Here is the circle. You can see the circle I've drawn around it, and I ensure that it is equidistant around. So I will be applying some E6000 glue to the edge of the bowl. Okay, now I'll be placing the plate onto this. And I'll use my level again to ensure that it is level. Okay, Sojourners, so this is dry, as you can see, and I will be using these gems to put in the center of the two bowls. So I am going to use the E6000 to glue these around it. Okay, so let me show you what I am doing, and then I will do it off camera and get back to you. So I place my E6000 on it, and I'm going to stick them right in here like that, and I'll go all the way around it. So I'll continue working on this, and then I get back to show you what it looks like. So I've attached the gems, and this is what it looks like. You can see them around it, and I went all the way around. So now, while I'm waiting on that to dry, I will attach some of these gems. Okay, so these larger gems, I am going to use them to put along here. Okay, so let's go, and I will use the E6000 to attach these, because this is a clear E6000. Okay, so I have now placed all my gems on the bottom row here, and I think it would look good if I place another row on the bottom here. So that's what I'll be doing right now. I'll arrange them so I have a little space in between. See? And of course, you have to watch these because they'll slide down. So you have to constantly watch them and replace them in their proper place until they dry. I just want to line them so they have the same distance in between. So in the interest of time, I'll go all the way around it and then come back to you. Now you can see what the bottom portion looks like. This is beautiful. So I'll turn it over and do the other portion. So now I'll be placing some gems around here. So let me clean this off. And we will get started with the bottom portion. I'm going to continue using my E6000 glue to add some gems to this portion of my cake stand. Now these will slide off, so you have to be careful. Keep looking at them, checking them to ensure that they don't slide off, okay, until they're dry. So I will add my first row, then I leave it to dry and come back to add a second row above that, okay? Okay, so as soon as I finish this row, I will show you what it looks like. Okay, Sojourners, I've added my first row here, and I am going to add just a few around here, so I won't be covering this surface, okay? So I'll just add one to every four, 1, 2, 3, 4 space. So remember, for those who are new to my channel, welcome to you. Please don't leave without subscribing, and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post other videos. Thank you for those who have been watching me along this journey. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is the last one. Please leave your comments in the comments section below. Let me hear what you think about my new cake stand. I love it. I don't know about you, but I just love the finished look of it. Let me give you a close-up shot of it. And I like the upper part of the base. Okay. This is the finished product. Here is my new cake stand. This is what it looks like when it's done. And I think I will leave it as simple as it is, because I just feel that if I add anything else to it, it is going to be too crowded. So here it is. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I love you guys. I look forward to sharing other videos. So if you like this one, kindly give me a thumbs up. And for those who have not subscribed yet, please do so now. It is free. And always remember to click the bell so that you will be notified whenever I post other videos. Thanks again, Sojourners, for watching. See you in my next video.